Hi, my dear friends. Answer the question. I'm back again. So, she, her kids, grows, grows up, raises. Which one is correct? The correct answer is C. She raises her kids. But what's the difference between grow up, raise? Let's see. The first one, grow. We can use grow for everything. For example, my hair grows. Grow means become larger in size when something becomes bigger. My hair grows. Cities are growing these days. So it's not for humans, okay? We use it for other things. But grow up is for human, only for human. When kids grow up, when when kids, children become mature, when they age. So here we say they grow up. So grow up is for children. The children grow up fast. I grew up in a village. So when you're talking about the past, your childhood, you can say I grew up. I grew up in a large family. I grew up in a village. Where did you grow up? You're asking someone. I mean, it means which country, which city. Where did you grow up? And raise is for parents, okay? So children grow up, parents raise children. Raise is something that parents do. They do take care of them, they feed them. I mean, parents take care of kids, parents feed kids, and kids grow up. Parents raise kids. So grow is for things like my hair is growing. Grow up is for people. Only people grow up, become older. And raise is for parents. Parents raise kids. This is the difference. Another question. Answer the question. I enjoyed the movie. It was kind of fun or funny. It's a common. I mean, they are very confusing. So in this question, both could be correct. I can't say one of them is wrong. But the best answer is fun. Because fun means something that you enjoy. When you enjoy something, it's fun. You don't necessarily laugh. Sometimes you don't laugh, but you enjoy something. So it's fun. But funny means it or he or she makes you laugh. So when you laugh, it's funny. But when you enjoy, it's fun. For example, the party was fun. It means we had a great time. The party was funny, it means we laughed a lot. There were some funny people, we laughed at them. So this is the difference between fun and funny. Example, he's so funny. His jokes make me laugh. Because when he tells a joke, I laugh. He makes me laugh, so he's funny. He's so fun. I enjoy being with him. So he's so funny. He's so fun. It means I don't laugh when I am with him, but I enjoy it. Okay, so he's so fun. Both of them could be correct. Our class is fun because one of my classmates is very funny. Okay, so he does something funny, he tells some jokes, he makes us laugh. So he is funny, but the class is fun because you enjoy that class. Fun, funny. Next one. There is something wrong in this sentence. She is studying very hardly to pass the exam. What's wrong? It seems okay. The problem is with hardly. She studies very hard. So we have hard and hardly, but they are way different. Hard, most of the time we use ly to change adjectives to adverbs. For example, slow, slowly. Careful, carefully. But hard is different. Hard is both an adjective and an adverb. So, he is a hard worker, adjective. He works hard, adverb. All right? So, hardly is something completely different. Hardly means almost never. It means never. It doesn't happen. So hard means with a lot of effort. Hardly means never. There are some examples here. No. Listen to this example first. I work hard. I hardly work. The meaning is way different. I work hard. The first one means I wake up early in the morning and I try a lot. I work 10 hours a day. But the second one, I hardly work, it means I'm lazy. I never work. I always stay at home and watch TV. I never work. So their meanings actually are way different, completely different. And hard is after the verb he works hard. Hardly is before the verb he hardly works. Okay, this is another difference between these two. Now you answer this one. You to find a decent job. A decent job means a good job, a job that is suitable for you, that suits you. So you don't hardly try. B, don't try hardly. C, try hardly. B, hardly try. Which one? Choose one of them. All right, hardly is like never. The meaning is negative. So when you use hardly, you don't need don't or doesn't or didn't because the sentence is negative by itself. So you don't need to use another negative form of the verb. So A and B can't be correct because they say don't. All right. Now between C and B, I told you hardly comes before the verb. Hard goes after the verb. So C is not correct. So the correct answer is B. You hardly try to find a decent job. It means you never try to find a job. Okay? The next one. What's wrong? He always sends the reports carelessly and lately. He's never on time. He is supposed to send some reports. When he sends the reports, they are full of mistakes and he never sends them on time. What's wrong in this sentence? What's the mistake? So the problem is lately. Again, this is the same as hard and hardly. Late is an adjective and an adverb. So you can say he is late, adjective. He arrives late, adverb. All right? So you don't need ly. If you add ly, the meaning is completely different. Lately means recently. Okay? It doesn't mean not on time. Lately, recently. Listen. So late means not on time, adjective or adverb. Lately, recently. He was late, adjective. He arrived late, adverb. So you don't need to say he arrived lately or he sent the report lately. No, late is enough. Lately, he doesn't talk much. So it means recently, I think he has a problem because recently, lately, he doesn't talk much. So we use lately in the beginning or end of the sentence. Lately, he doesn't talk much, or he doesn't talk much lately or recently. Number 4, he showed up late and made me pissed. That means he was late. He showed up late, not lately. And made me pissed means made me angry. Now you answer this one. He has been arriving. Okay, which one? Which one do you think is the correct answer? C and D, no. So he has been arriving late, lately. It means recently he arrives at work late. So he's been arriving late, lately. The correct answer is B. Or you could use lately at the beginning of the sentence. So he has been arriving late, lately, or lately he has been arriving late. Both of them are correct. The last one. Answer, he was in the interview. He was succeeded, successful, success, which one? The correct answer is he was successful. So what is the difference? When do we use succeed? Listen, success is a noun. Success. It was a great success. Or success takes time and effort. So it's mostly uncountable, but sometimes countable. Like in the first example, it was a great success because we're talking about an achievement, a situation. But number two, no, success, it doesn't need a here. Success takes time and effort. So it's a noun. Successful is an adjective. He is successful. He is successful. She is a successful woman in this business. So this is adjective. Successfully is the adverb, ly, like careful, carefully, slowly, successful, successfully. It means when you do something with success. He passed the interview successfully. This mission was successfully accomplished. Okay? And succeed is the verb, succeed. So it takes ed, for example, succeeded. Listen, he succeeded in passing the interview. It means he was successful in passing the interview. Many people can't succeed when they run a business. It means they fail. They can't succeed or they fail. But succeed is a bit formal. We don't use it in daily conversations. We use become successful. So when you're talking to someone, daily conversations, we don't say I succeeded. We say I was successful or I became successful. So we change succeed to become successful. Well, that's it. I tried to compare these confusing pairs. So from now on, you won't confuse them again. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Take care. See you soon.